Kienyeji chicken is a whole different level of delicious. Heat oil in a pot and add lots of onions. Cook until translucent and then add ginger paste, garlic paste, and coriander leaves. Stir and then add some tomato paste, cumin powder, chilli powder, turmeric powder, a stock cube, fresh rosemary, and cook it down. Pour in the blended tomatoes, season with salt, and cook for 10 minutes. Add the boiled Kienyeji chicken, make sure to save the stock, add some water, and cook for 20 minutes. For the rice, add washed Daawat Aromatic Rice to the leftover chicken stock and let it cook for 10 minutes until the rice is 90% cooked. Layer mixed bell peppers over the rice and let it steam for another 5 minutes. It's ready to serve. A nice portion of mixed pepper rice with all the flavor from the chicken stock and a nice serving of the Kienyeji chicken curry. Garnish with coriander leaves and enjoy.